Today's the day that all us cats must surely do our bit. We've got to do our share, so Uncle Sam can hit. Save up all your pots and pans, save up every little thing you can. Don't give it away, no honey, get some cash for your trash. Save up all your old newspapers, save it plenty like a high skyscraper. Don't give it away, no honey, get some cash for your trash. In between we'll do some loving, wild handsome turtle doving. Will you listen?